Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm DJ from Feener Outdoors. This would be my first unboxing or review that I've done. Everything I do is just adventuring outside. Kind of excited for this one. It just came in the mail today. If you guys seen any of my videos, you'll notice my favorite backpack is the Mystery Ranch Bridger 65. Now it's heavy. It's like 5 pounds empty, but it rides like a Cadillac. It's very comfortable. I have a big hike coming up this summer. I'm trying to downsize. First thing I bought was a Durston X-Dome 2 and to lighten my tent load. And oh, that is a beautiful tent. Let's just say I'm hooked on Durston's gear. I bought this with my own money. Nobody sponsored me on this. I've taken the tape off, looked in just to make sure everything's there. But let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh, it's like Christmas, like a kid. I'm still a kid. Doesn't matter how old you are, you're still excited to get things, gifts. This came from Gear Trade. It's a Canadian company online. So what do we got here? We got the Gossamer Gear folding thin light foam pad. Foam pads are light to begin with, but this one is supposed to fit into the backpack and give you some comfort. So what else do we got? Let's check it out. We got the Durston Kakwa 55. Now this is much lighter than my other pack there. It's got to be 3 pounds lighter easily. Let's get it open. So this one being under just under 2 pounds, or at the 2 pound mark, but still has all the features of a larger backpack. Right? You got your large hip belt with cushioning, which is great. You also have a good amount of cushion for, an ultralight backpack. We have front pockets on the straps, which I love that. We have some, nice pockets in here. Very, very nice. And this one has I wouldn't say a full frame, but it's got a U-shaped frame. So it goes up, comes around, and comes back down. It's very thin. Coming to the front of the pad, we have a nice, generous mesh pocket. On the side, we have large water bottle pockets. I've done a lot of research on this before I bought it, so I kind of know all the little features of it ahead of time. That pocket there for water, slight angle, easier to get your bottle in and out of. Oh, I like this. I like this. Can't wait to try it on. Let's get it open. So this one is a roll top, like a dry bag, basically. Oh. Try to get an inside look for you. There's a generous amount of room in there. Jeez, that's pretty deep. Nice. So there's two types of choices in the material. They're both very light. Your lower cost choice would have been the Ultra Grid. I went with the Ultra 200X. It's more waterproof and more durable. It's, I don't know if you guys can see that in there. See, it's got like almost like a plasticky feel to the inside, keeps it nice and dry. And it's supposed to be more durable for, I don't know, a little bit of extra weight. This is my second product from Durston, and I can't wait to get out and try this. I love my tent. Love it. It's amazing. I should do a review on that sometime. Some of the things I read on this, So it's always good to have a foam pad underneath your air mattress and whatnot else. Well, this one slips right in the back. Not being a full frame and no cushion back here, you can feel things. If you got something sharp or, you know, pokey in your backpack, you can feel it through. All right, let's pack a few things in here. So, put our foam pad up against the back. Okay. Now, I just got this little, my pretend sleeping bag for this, this packing. X-Dome 2, stick that in there. That's my go-to tent. We got the poles and the pegs for it. Poles we put in here. Pegs, because they get dirty often, we'll put them in there. For a little bit of weight, I always like having a chair. There's nothing better than getting to camp, setting up, putting a chair down, and sitting and relaxing. Sitting on a log sucks. So this, we're going to put right in the mesh. Why? Because halfway through the day, you can pull it out. Nice comfy spot to have lunch. Gotta love that. We have our cook system. We'll put that in there. All right, let's pretend this is our food bag and some extra clothing. Just like a dry bag, you just roll it up. All right. So now you got something here. Let's try this now. That feels more like I got a backpack on now that there's some stuff in it. All right. Yep. Adjust this a little bit. There we go. Now we got the weight on our hips. Beautiful. Beautiful. Dandy bag. I like this. Huh. Okay. Feels good in the back. It's not, you know. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Okay. I threw some more stuff in the backpack here. Went and grabbed my water bottle that I usually have, just a small one there. Quick drinks on the go. And my cell phone's usually sitting right next to me. And, you know, yeah, water bottle holders back here. Now I got short little arms. I have a hard time putting these in and out of bags. Oh, I got it out though. That's not bad. Let's try this side though. This side's supposed to be like, oh, check that out. Did you guys see that? Look, my little arms, no problem at all. Tyrannosaurus Rex, look, shoot, in. Okay, no, we gotta do it this way. There. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this backpack. I can't wait to get this out and show you guys. So, got to get an adventure on the go real soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future videos. And hopefully we'll see you on the next adventure with this backpack. Take care, guys.